Y'all, I'm listening to ET Radio right now and it's going down. I'll put the link below in my description box. Check it out. You know, you gotta listen to some. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, y'all. Y'all, I'm a little under the weather. Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a luxury unboxing. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'm excited to go through this with you guys. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, thumbs this video up if you like hauls, including luxury ones, because sometimes you gotta treat yourself. First of all, who doesn't love a package from Harrods? I feel like all things nice and sugar and spice come from there. Thank you for shopping at Harrods.com. Always a pleasure. Okay, so truth be told, I don't order from Harrods like that. I'm just being honest. The only thing I order is makeup. I think I got like Huda Beauty there. Is it? Yeah, Huda Beauty. I got makeup from there. I never really order like luxury stuff, so I'm excited. Comes in this box, which is black and beautiful. I love the gold writing on it. Should I open it like this so everyone can see? Okay, so I thought that was gonna be a really gorgeous reveal. So there's another box inside the box inside the box. Okay, so this is the Gucci box that it comes in. Will this reveal be, you know, nice? Let's see. 3. Okay, so first of all, you have your little Gucci dust bag in here. Yes. More environmental stuff that is not good for us. Oh, and then the belt. And then the belt is wrapped and the little Gucci bag is in there. So let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do the bag first. So now, like, this bag is so cute. It's like, I'd say wallet size. It's perfect for when you just want to throw some lip gloss, your keys, your phone, and go. I feel like some of the fanny packs can be like big and bulky, and this is not like that at all. It has this nice suede material on it. Of course, it has the famous Gucci colors on it, and then this little logo on the front. It has leather, like a patent leather around it, and on the back of it, let me go ahead and open it up and show you the inside. Now again, like I said, this ain't fitting much, but it's fitting the essentials. You know, the things that you need, the things that are necessary, the things that really matter. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to carry all that junk. It don't need to be like your big Gucci handbag. It don't need to be like your big tote Louis. It just basic, just simple. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so it has this little place for your cards and IDs and stuff like that. And then you can, like I said, you can fit your phone in there. You can fit your lip gloss in there. You can fit you can fit your keys in there, like. And you still got room for a little bit more stuff now that I see. There's enough room in here. There's enough room in here. Now, as for the belt, I'm going to go ahead and insert a try-on clip here. I got my belt in a size 95, I think. And I feel like I should have gotten a 90. Just because I wish that I could tighten it a little bit. And I can't. Because I definitely don't want to cut a hole in a Gucci belt myself with a kitchen knife. Like, that's not what you pay for. Anyways, so yeah, so this purse retails for 585 pounds. So you get the belt. So you can wear the belt separately if you want. You don't have to wear them together, which is kind of cool. I like that. It's like a 2-for-1. You get a belt and a bag and a wallet. This can also, what I was about to say, is double as a wallet. So you can throw this in your Gucci bag or whatever other bag that you have and you just want to mix and match in there. I just like that it's so, it kind of reminds me of like a clutch if I was at the club and I just want to take this as well. I wouldn't have to carry around a big clunky bag or put the added belt on and mess up the look of my fit. You know what I'm saying? I know, this is really cute. What do you guys think? Let me know below in the comment section. I am in love with this. I am in love. It is so cute. So yeah, that is it for my little luxury haul. I don't do many of these, but when I do, I will let you guys know. Thumbsies up. Let me know if you like luxury hauls or if you like something more on the affordable side. I'll work with y'all, see what y'all like, see what I'm vibing with at the moment, and we'll make something happen. Okay? Anyways, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.